welcome to fmtraining.tv. My name is Margaret Carlton. I will be your broadcast engineer for today. Anyway, Christian's been here for a very long time. He's a wonderful presenter. We love having him on the show. He's usually quite busy doing senior engineer stuff. So if you have questions, if Christian can't answer it, he'll tell you. Like we're not going to sit here and waffle and you go like, oh, Christian's fantastic. So we're happy to have him on today. Okay, so we have some other questions. I'm going to do the WebDirect question and then the container questions. WebDirect question, how do I change to a layout in other files in the same browser window?
Yeah, so you need to have this would be a little bit tricky for me to demo on this file here, but what you would need to do is first have an external data source hooked up so that the files are connected. And then you would do a perform script. Well, there's actually two ways. The more often thing is you would do perform script, and then over here you would select the file. So I don't have any others here because I haven't hooked them up. Let's see if I can add one real quick. Manage external data source. No. Go. Launcher. File. Host. It's probably going to ask me for a password. I'll only move this off screen just because I'm going to go to an RCC server and let me just see if it'll connect to my file or not. There we go. Okay. And then I think I just need to go give access over here. Oh, checkbox is turned off. That makes it easy. Come back over here. So now if I do, I can choose KO Launcher, and let's just choose code bits and do turn import off. And we're going to come over here. We're going to change code bits to do something useful. Exit script. Go to I'm gonna pop a new window. Just you could simply do the go-to layout, and then I'll show you the other option that I started using later. And I'm assuming this is literally a multi-file. Like you have one FileMaker file and another FileMaker file, which is always going to add to the complexity. So let's see what happens if I fire this. Boom. So it took me there. So multi-file is tricky because you're interacting with multiple script workspaces. And so this shouldn't say import. This would be, go to external layout. And you would basically be performing the scripts in the other file. So that's option number one, and that's most likely what you should do. The other thing that you can do, let's do this. I got to go to manage database. This is something I figured out later, and I do like this option. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to add a TO. We're going to call it KO. And we're going to choose launcher, and I'm going to choose system. I'll just choose time clock. Okay. So now I've got this TO from my launcher file. Okay. And so now I can say okay, and I can make a new layout called launcher, and I can base it off of KO. Yeah, no, here's the problem with this though, is while it is based on that TO, I actually have to rebuild the layout. So if you want to go to a layout in another file, yeah, you basically want to perform a script in it. Of course, I just closed my demo file, which I've done before. Does that answer your question? I'm trying to find the test file again.
Hopefully that answers it, Paulo. But yeah, in WebDirect, it'll automatically swap. You won't see two windows. They'll just be in the same window.